What going on, guys? Today's video is going to be about my wash day after wearing mini twists for quite some time. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys one of my DIY deep conditioner recipes for strong, soft, shiny, moisturized hair. We're about to go in, so let's get it. I already have a detailed how I take down my mini twist video. I'll put that in the cards for you guys so you can check that out. I had my mini twist in for up to 3 weeks. I retwisted once and moisturized up to 2 times, which was great, not having to be in my hair much. Detangling outside the shower works best for me before washing my hair, especially if I have a mini twist. When I feel like I'm ready to tackle all of this hair, I untwisted my big twist and went straight to work. Wait for it, that water be cold, y'all. I started off with my favorite moisturizing shampoo. This is so moisturizing and my hair loves it. I also have a detailed wash day video that I did recently, so you can. I'll let you finish the last words, but go ahead, girl. Basically, my hair needs to be cleaned thoroughly. My scalp needs to be cleaned thoroughly. My hair is tired and needs to be refreshed, okay? So we're gonna go in with the shampoo. I know, the avocado looks like it's on its last life, so we'll just go ahead and put it out of its misery. Add some water and blend it up to get a smooth consistency. Look at that, why don't ya? We don't really need all of that, about half will do for me. Add in some olive oil mayo, which will give the mask a creamier consistency, which is also very moisturizing and nourishing. Smooths, frizz, defines hair. This is bomb for your hair. And we gonna add some more. Here comes the Dawn Amla powder. Strengthens scalp and hair, stimulates growth. We can go on and on. This is amazing. We add 1 tablespoon of that. Another amazing powder, aloe vera powder. We know this is the miracle pant. We've seen many videos on YouTube about this. Add 1 tablespoon of this as well. Up next, we have marshmallow root powder, which will add some slip. I added 2 tablespoons of this, and this also has some other great benefits as well. Very conditioning and moisturizing. To make mixing easier, you can add some warm water. And the last ingredient is babasu oil. This is very moisturizing. Look at how cream. Oh, we baking cake today, man. We baking a good cake. Gonna apply that mixture on, well, I applied the mixture on my hair, and as you can see, it's very moisturizing, went on pretty smooth and was easy to work into my hair. Although the shower was smelling like spoiled berries and fruits, you can add fragrance to your mask or deep treatment DIYs if you want it to smell better, but honestly, I don't care. It's gonna get washed out. You can add lavender, essential oils, peppermint. There are many out there that you can add to enhance this goodness. It had great slip, and as you can see, was very conditioning. I'm letting you guys see exactly how my hair looks, exactly when I applied it and how it applied. So bomb, A1, really good, moisturizing, love it. Look at those curls, girl. Come through, curls. Yes, boo, come. Ooh, yes. This is a very strengthening hair mask, so if you are a little bit more on the protein sensitive side, I would definitely add a conditioner, a very moisturizing conditioner into the mix to balance it out. That's what I eventually did at the end when I washed it out. Y'all know we still ain't wasting shit in 2018, so use all of it. I don't have no shower caps, you know, those heating caps, so I use plastic bags. You gotta use what you have. Start from where you gotta start from. The job is gonna get done. No frizz was detected. I left it on for about an hour, maybe more, I'm not sure. My hair was very defined and ready to be washed out. I rinsed out my hair, and I also rinsed it out with this VO5 conditioner. Curls were popping, hair was soft, strong, shiny, defined. My hair really loved the deep conditioner. Now I'm going to prepare my hair to be moisturized. I'm gonna spray some water into my hair, re-wake those curls, because as you can see my hair gets dry pretty quick. Reintroducing one of my favorite moisturizers into my routine by Soultanicals. I'm just going to apply that all over my hair. This is very moisturizing and it can be used on wet or dry hair. I'm using it on wet hair today, and I'm just gonna moisturize my curls, make sure I get every strand. At this point, I usually prepare my hair to be twisted. I don't know if you can tell, but I was contemplating on whether I should twist my hair or put it up in a bun and call it a day, which I did. We had a long wash day and we have come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching.